Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Revolut to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is launch your Revolut app, and once you launch it, be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account and you are in this interface, on the bottom bar you'll be seeing three options. Among them, tap on transfer, and once you tap on transfer, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing the plus new button, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is, here you'll be provided with bunch of options, and once you scroll down you can add your friends as a recipient as well, or select your friends as recipient as well, but what you need to do is select the bank recipient option. And once you tap on it, here the next page will ask you to enter in your account details. All you got to do now is simply add in your international banking account number, that is your IBAN number, which can be found in your bank account details. And once you enter it, add it as a recipient, and once you do that, go back to the transfers, simply select contact that you have added your bank account as a recipient, and once you select it, all you gotta do now is just enter in the amount that you want to send it to your bank account, and this method makes it quite easy, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.